Hey everybody, today I'm going to be taking a look at this WEGOODLER welding mask. What's cool about this mask is it does come with its own carrying case. It's obviously going to be great to keep it protected, make sure it doesn't get scratched up, and it's going to be a great place to store it whenever you're not using it. So this is the welding mask. You can see here it has this really cool design here with the stars on the top and the star fields on the sides here. I think this is really cool. What else is nice too is you have this very large true color viewing screen. And what's nice about that, you can see here in the back, this is going to give it a much easier view whenever you're working on things. You're not going to have that real dark, almost black and white look that a lot of welding masks have. What's cool about this mask also is that you're going to have all of your adjustments here on the side. What's cool is you're going to be able to go from grind to weld to heavy weld. And what's cool too is that the sensitivity as well as the delay are stepless. So you're really going to be able to fine tune in the mask for yourself. You're also going to get in the package here a set of instructions for the mask. This is really great because it's going to give a lot of recommendations on what DIN levels you should be using, of which you do have 13. And you're going to get two screens here. One is the inside screen that will be here, and then another screen that's going to be on the outside, basically in between this plastic to help protect the actual screen itself. Another thing that's really nice, it has a lot of adjustment here on the head. So that's going to be great. You're going to be able to fit this on, snap it into place, flip it down, and you're going to be ready to weld, and flip this back up and be able to talk to your buddies, things like that, making sure everything's still safe and everything's going. So what's cool too about this, it does have a very fast response rate of 1/25,000th of a second. And you can see here in the mask, there's a little test button, and you can hit that and you can see how quickly it will flip back and forth. And again, that is one of the cool things too, when you put it on grind mode, this is going to make sure it doesn't accidentally auto dim or something like that with a spark. And this is going to really help protect your face against any of that UV or infrared radiation that's coming off of the welds when you're working. And it's obviously going to help protect your face against sparks, things like that, your cheeks, basically the top of your head as well. So let's go ahead, give it a try.
Here I'm just doing a little test welds on this rotor to see the reactivity. What's really nice too is that you do have 4 of these arc sensors built in, which are going to give you 1/25,000th of a second reaction rate on that welding mask. What's cool too is that you do have a really large, wide viewing area with a 3.94 inch by 3.27 inch true color screen. What's nice about that is you're going to very easily be able to see everything you're working on. You don't have to take the mask up and down the way you do with a lot of other masks. And again, with those stepless controls there you can see on the side, you're going to be able to really fine-tune the mask to exactly what you need. It does meet all of the ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 standards. And another really cool feature is it does have a solar cell built into it, and that's going to help elongate that lithium battery lifespan. And so you're going to be able to use the mask a lot longer before you need to switch out the battery.